Who is ready to talk? Type your name. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, you can talk.
The National Commission for Women is an autonomous and statutory body established on 31st January 1992 under the National Commission for Women Act 1990. The commission is headquartered in New Delhi that consists of a chairperson, 5 members and a member secretary who are directly nominated by the central government. The objective of the NCW is to represent the rights of women in India and provide them a voice for their issues and concerns. It also receives and investigates complaints from women who are victims of violence, discrimination and harassment. NCW acts as an advisory watchdog and agency for gender equality, investigating the rights violence and advising on policies. Vijaya Kishore Rahatkar is the current chairperson of the National Commission for Women, India. Thank you.
You start.
Good evening, everyone. The National Commission for Women, or NCW, was established in 1992 to safeguard women's rights in India. It reviews laws, recommends reforms, and addresses an online portal, making support accessible nationwide. Through special cells, it tackles issues like NRI marriages, workplace harassment, and domestic violence. The NCW stands as a guardian of dignity, equality, and empowerment for women, ensuring their voices are heard and justice is delivered. Thank you.
The National Commission for Women, NCW, has recently taken show motto consignation of survival high-profile incidents across India, including a 2026 controversy over disparaging remarks against the woman by stand-up the comedians and tragic gang, Rope of the Mineral and Tripura. Under the chairperson Vijaya Rahatkar, the NCW remains highly active in demanding action taken, reports ATRS, and ensuring shift in regulation. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Next, Dolphy.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Dolphy. Today, I'm going to talk about National Commission for Women, or NWC. It is established in 31st January 1992. The National Commission for Women is India's highest legal body dedicated entirely to women's rights. From fighting domestic violence to promoting economic independence, the NCW works around the clock, even running a 24/7 helpline to ensure justice, safety, and equality under the law for every woman across the nation. Thank you.
Thank you. Abhinidhi.
Good evening, sir. I am Abhinidhi. Today I am going to talk about National Commission for Women. The National Commission for Women is the apex statutory body in India established on January 31, 1992 under the National Commission for Women Act of 1990. It is mandated to revive constitutional and legal safeguards for women and advise the government on policy matters and facilitate the redressals of grievances. The commission is headquartered in New Delhi and is headed by its chairperson, Vijaya Kishore Rahatkar. Its primary duties and resources include complaint redressals, and women in distress can contact the toll-free number 14490 for support, psychological counseling, and referral services, and also for women's safety. Thank you.
Thank you. Right. Okay. Someone while talking mentioned the word sumoto. This is the spelling. What is the spelling of sumoto? SUOMOTU. It is a Latin legal term. What is the meaning of this word? We'll take on its own course.
Sir, I'll take some points like establishment year, date, important functions.
No. From where? Source. I'm talking about source. Internet. Correct?
Only, sir.
Internet. Very good.
Yes,
very
sir.
good. Okay. So internet. So internet is your integral part of your preparations. So Everything you'll search. So, gone are the days where we need to rely on books. அப்பெல்லாம் books, textbooks அததான் போய் பார்க்கணும். இப்ப அப்படி கிடையாது. So everything is available at your fingertips. So always use mobile usefully. Okay, so you can use mobile, you can usefully. Dakshineswar, Dhyaneswaran.
Sir,
How do you use mobile usefully? How do you use mobile usefully?
for searching anything.
Okay, searching anything. Okay, then watching what type of videos? Very
Educational
useful videos. Educational, very good. Education. Suppose if you want to know more about El Nino, Super El Nino, then you can type El Nino or Super El Nino. Then you can watch videos in YouTube. Okay, you can use internet very usefully. Internet is an integral part of our life. Very good, excellent. Okay, we'll start our today's sessions. யாருங்க இவங்க? Who is she?
Mary come, sir.
யாருங்க? Mary Com. Who is she? Mary Com is
Sir, a boxer.
a boxer.
Boxer.
Boxer. Mary Com. That's the full name is Mante Sungni Jongkand Mary Com, popularly known as the magnificent boxer of India. What do you mean by the word magnificent? Means what?
Sir, a very rare, precious thing.
Or any other word? Magnificent. And it's a literal meaning of the word magnificent.
Sir, famous.
Yeah, famous. Or you can say that great. The great.
Sir, perfect.
And Adi say that I give you a few accurate prompts from Google and AI, and I polish it with 2 or more points and sometimes from my encyclopedia. Okay. So you can take notes. So you no need to take verbatim, ditto. அப்படியே இன்டர்நெட்ல வர்றது எல்லாமே word by word you no need to write. அதுல you take notes always. Always அதுல notes எழுதுங்க. நீங்க own words form பண்ணுங்க. Sentence rearrange பண்ணி then you can speak. Okay, that's very important. Sir, I watch videos such as English channels for communication and the history of outer worlds and more, and note it down in my personal diary. Very good. So outer world means you are talking about outer space.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. ஒன்னு சொல்ல முடியுமா? Any interesting thing you read about outer space?
Sir, the hottest stars in the universe are Wolf-Rayet stars, and the hottest in those is WR100, which has a surface temperature of 2 million degrees Celsius.
What is the name? I already told you in the class, in the previous class. What is the name of what is the farthest human made object from Earth? பூமியில இருந்து இது வரைக்கும் அனுப்பிச்சதுல எது ரொம்ப தூரம் போயிட்டு இருக்கு? இன்னும் போயிட்டு இருக்கு. It is going on. What is the name of it? It is
Voyager probe.
Very good. Voyager 1. Voyager 1 is the spacecraft. It crossed over 16 billion miles. 16 billion miles. Not million, billion. You know what is billion? 1 followed by how many zeros in billion?
9 zeros.
Very good. So please note down. Please note that 10 power 6 is million. 10 power 9 is what? Billion. What is trillion?
10 power 12.
10 power 12. This is you are supposed to know. You have to memorize everything. Million, billion, million, billion. 1 million is equal to how many lakhs?
10 lakhs.
10 lakhs is 1 million. 10 lakhs is 1 million. How many crores? 1 billion.
100 crores.
100 crores.
100 crores is 1 billion.
Sir, 1 billion is also called 1 Arab in Indian system.
Okay. So normally it is billion. It is 1 followed by 90. You know, approximately, can anyone tell me what is the world population right now? Approximately.
Sir, approximately 8 billion.
Approximately.
8 billion, sir.
Huh?
5
8 trillion or 8 billion?
8 billion.
8 trillion na inga nikkiradhukku edame irukadu. No space even to stand on earth.
Sir, 8
So
billion.
right now the words Right now, the world's population is 8.3 billion. Okay, 8.3 billion. Can you convert 8.3 billion into crores?
Yes, sir.
How many crores?
830 crores.
830 crores. In terms of crores, 830 crores. Can anyone guess me what is the India's population right now? Of 830 crores, India's population alone is
140
Sir,
crores.
1.4 billion.
around 148 crores. Or you can say that 150 crores. Okay.
150 crores.
Right, 150 crores or 1.5 billion. 1.5 billion. What is world's population? 8.3 billion. Okay, right. So Mary Kom is one of the India's greatest women boxers and one of the most successful amateur boxers. What do you mean by amateur? What do you mean by amateur? What is the opposite of
Sir,
I'll ask, what is the opposite of amateur?
Sir, experienced.
Amateur is what? Inexperienced. Some people takes part in sport as an amateur. Amateur means what? Not for money, only for pleasure. For example, you are playing cricket as an amateur way or in a professional way. Professional means what? When you play cricket, you must earn what? Money. What is the name of the child playing cricket for India? I am asking a question. What is the name of what is the name of the child playing cricket for India?
Sir, Vaibhav Suryavanshi.
Why I am asking? Why I am telling child?
Because he's below the age of 18.
18. Okay. What is his name?
Sir, Vaibhav Suryavanshi.
Vaibhav
Suryavanshi.
Suryavanshi. Around now 15 years old.
Yes,
Now
sir.
15 years old. Okay. 15 years old means must be studying 9th standard. That's all.
10th grade.
Right.
10th grade, sir.
10th grade or 9th grade?
10th grade, sir.
Actually studying 10th grade, huh? I don't know. That's why I'm asking. Is he studying 10th standard or 10th grade or what?
10th standard only, I think, sir.
It's normally around 15 to 16, 10th grade. Okay. So, born into a family of farmers in Manipur. What is the capital of Manipur?
Impal.
Impal. So, Manipur capital is Impal. Helped her parents in agricultural work during his childhood. Developed an interest in sports at younger age. Inspired by Indian boxer Dingo Singh. Inspired by Indian boxer Dingo Singh, who won gold medal at the 1998 Asian Games. Initially, many people believed that boxing was not suitable for women, but she continued to train hard and proved them wrong through her outstanding performance. Outstanding performance. One recent movie. So normally I will not recommend any movie to anyone. A recent movie where you can see lot of the empowerment of women. There is a movie. அதுல விமனுக்கு எம்பவர்மெண்ட் கொடுக்கிற மாதிரி ஒரு மூவி இருந்தது. என்ன மூவி தெரியுமா? ரீசன்ட் தமிழ் மூவி. நீங்க பாத்தீங்களா யாராவது?
Sir, Blast.
Blast. How many of you seen the movie Blast?
Yes, I have seen it.
What is your name?
Jayam Sai, sir.
எப்படி இருந்தது படம்? நல்லா இருக்கா?
Yes, sir. Bit fine.
Okay. So that's gave the empowerment to women. Okay. So that, but only drawback for watching children is violence. Okay. So otherwise it is in full of action movie. Give the empowerment, the real empowerment to women, mainly based on what? Which sport? Which martial art? Karate. Okay. Sir, I just read a review. It was given a good review, 4 out of 5 stars. Okay. So if you have time, you can watch with your parents. Okay. Right. And also, one of the best movie to watch is Kamali from Nadukaveri is also another movie for students to watch. Kamali from Nadukaveri, a girl from a rural background, entered IIT, the topmost premier institute, Indian Institute of Technology. Okay, right. Mary Kom became a 6-time world amateur boxing champion, making her one of the most successful women boxer in history. Olympic medal. In 2012 Summer Olympics, won bronze medal. What are the different types of medals?
Sir,
Bronze, silver, gold.
Okay.
Bronze, silver, gold.
She became the first Indian woman boxer to win an Olympic medal. In which year next Summer Olympics to be held?
Sir, 2028.
Where? I told in the last class. Where?
Sir, in Los Angeles.
Los Angeles. Where is Los Angeles situated?
In California State, USA.
Okay. Right. And she won gold medal in 2014 Asian Games in Incheon. Commonwealth Games gold medal in 2018. Asian Championship, multiple medals, including several gold medals, boxing championships, awards and honors. Arjuna Award, 2003. Padma Shri Award, 2006. Major Dhyan Chand Khel Ratna Award, 2009. Padma Bhushan, 13. Padma Vibhushan. Padma Vibhushan is higher than Padma Bhushan. Which is the highest award for awarded to sports person?
Major Dhyan Chand Khel Ratna Award.
Very good. This is the highest award awarded to any sports person. Mary Kom has inspired millions of girls to take up sports, promoted women participation in boxing, represented India with distinction in international competition, encouraged youth sports academies and motivational programs. Personal life, married to one love home, mother of children while continuing her successful boxing career. Even after gave birth to children, she participated and won medals also. Became an inspiration by balancing family life and professional sports. Mary Kom has also served as a member of Rajya Sabha. What is the other name for Rajya Sabha?
Upper House.
Upper House.
States.
Upper House. Anyone tell me what is the total number of members in the Upper House? Lower House, Lok Sabha, Rajya
234.
Sabha. Lok Sabha, Rajya
Sir,
Sabha.
Lok Sabha 543.
543.
Rajya Sabha 234. 243, sir. 250.
250.
Sir, it's actually 243, right? Plus 18. Oh.
238 plus 12. 12 nominated. 238 from the states. For example, Tamil Nadu, from Tamil Nadu, 18 people be selected, elected. Why Mary Kom is famous? 6-time world championship, won India's first Olympic gold medal, overcame social and economic challenges, inspired women across the world, became one of India's greatest sporting icons. Qualities we can learn from Mary Kom. Enna qualities we can learn from Mary Kom. First, enadhu? Idella ungalku useful for your students' life also. First is hard work. Especially hard work as well as while studies, your work should be what? Hard work or smart work also. Smart work, discipline, perseverance, courage, self-confidence, dedication, never giving up attitude. Mary Kom is associated with which sports?
Boxing.
Boxing. Answer the question. Mary Kom belongs to which Indian state? Manipur. Mary Kom won an Olympic bronze medal at the 2012 London Olympics. Mary Kom has won World Amateur Boxing Championship how many times?
Six times.
6 times.
Which is the highest civilian award received by Mary Kom? Padma Vibhushan. So this is the order: Padma Shri, Padma Bhushan, Padma Vibhushan, Bharata Ratna. Next, who inspired Mary Kom to take up boxing?
Dinko Singh.
Dingo Singh. We are checking your short-term memory. So how you are able to retain your memory? The nickname of Magnificent Mary refers to Mary Kom. Which statement is correct? Mary Kom is an Olympic medalist. Mary Kom won 6 world championship titles.
D option.
She represented India in international boxing competitions.
Option D.
All are correct. The biography of Mary Kom was released in
2015.
It is there in the main notes. Now miss panitama.
Yes, sir.
It is there notes la irundhucha illaya?
Illa sir.
No, sir.
No sir.
Okay. The Mary Kom, the biography. Mary Kom or biography on the, you can just note down. So Mary Kom biography released, Mary Kom biography titled in the name what? Mary Kom only. Okay. Next question. So Mary Kom biography. Mary Kom biography is this. So Mary Kom's official autobiography is Unbreakable. Unbreakable. Please note this. Unbreakable is the Mary Kom's autobiography. This is published in the year 2013. Which qualities best associated with Mary Kom's journey?
Perseverance and determination.
Perseverance and determination.
Perseverance and determination.
Determination.
Determination. Next, National Commission for Women. We'll see in detail. So, National Commission for Women is a statutory body. I had told you what do you mean by statutory body. If any body established by an act is called statutory body to protect and promote the rights and interests of the women. Equal opportunities, justice, dignity and protection as guaranteed by the Constitution of India. Full form, National Commission for Women, year 31st January 1992. What is the name of the act? National Commission for Women, 1990. Statutory body, New Delhi, protection and promotion of the women's rights. What are the objectives of National Commission for Women? So, the commission aims to safeguard women's constitutional rights, review laws affecting women, investigate complaints, recommend changes in laws, promotes women's welfare, and encourage equal participation of women in society. Composition of National Commission for Women, 1 chairperson and 5 members, 1 member secretary. The members are appointed by the Government of India. Functions of National Commission for Women: protect women's rights, receive complaints, domestic violence, harassment, dowry related complaints, workplace harassment and cyber harassment, and property disputes, gender discrimination, investigate cases, recommend legal reforms. They can recommend.
So what is legal reforms?
Legal. So what is legal? So they suggest, a special National Commission for Women suggests some reform. Reforms means what? Reforms means what? Modifications, some amendments needed. So therefore, the NCW suggests some modifications or reforms in the existing laws. So laws are associated with legal, conduct awareness programs and research and studies, inspection of institutions, powers of National Commission for Women. While investigating certain matters, the commission has powers similar to civil court. So there are 2 types of courts in India. One is civil court, another is criminal court. So for normal disputes, you have to approach civil courts. For criminal activities, you have to approach criminal court. They summon witness. Summon means what? They call witness, call for documents, received evidence, examine records. National Commission for Women cannot directly punish the offenders, but only recommendation. It can recommend. Constitutional support for women, very important. Article 14. Article 14 is right to equality. This is very, very important. You are supposed to memorize this article. Article number 14. So article number 14 is related to what?
Women, law, equality.
Equality
before law.
Equality before law. Okay. So article 14 is related to what?
Equality.
Equality before law. This article is very, 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 very important. I'll ask everyone maybe in the next class. So equality before law correspond to article 14. Article 15 is prohibits discrimination on the grounds of including sex. Article gender. Article 15(3)
Gender discrimination.
Yeah. Special provisions for women and children. Article 16 equal opportunity in public employment. 39A equal right for livelihood. 39D equal pay for equal work. This is also very important. Equal pay for equal work. There is no discrimination in pay for men and women. They should get same pay. That is article 39D. And article 42 just on human conditions of work and maternity leave relief. Article 51AE, fundamental duty to renounce practices derogatory to the dignity of women. Important laws protecting women. Protection of women from Domestic Violence Act. This is very important. Domestic Violence Act 2005. Dowry Prohibition Act 1961. And sexual harassment of women at workplaces in 2013. Prohibition of child marriage 2006. What is the minimum age for marriage for girls?
18.
18. Actually, for minimum age for girls as well as for boys is minimum is 18. The Protection of Children from Sexual Offences Act 2012. Okay. Major areas of work. NCW addresses this in relation to women's safety, education, health, employment, digital safety, cybercrime, human trafficking, gender equality, legal awareness, and economic empowerment.
Sir, 21 age, right?
No, for both the legal, see, the legal ages for both is 18. Nobody should marry before attaining the age of 18. But the recommended ages for female 18, for male 21.
Sir,
But even the male at age of 18 can marry, there is no bar. There is no need of different age for male and female. Okay, what is your doubt?
sir, can National Commission for Women react to child marriage?
Can react?
To child marriage in
Yeah,
girls?
definitely. Wherever child marriage is happening, it can enter, so it can prevent the child marriage happening. It can recommend the other authorities to take action against the people concerned, maybe a parents or others. Right? Now we'll see question. What is the full form of NCW?
National Commission for Women.
National Commission of Women.
The National Commission for Women was established in
1992.
NCW is a
Statutory body.
statutory body. Statutory body means the body, the organization established by an act passed in the parliament. Which act led to the establishment of National Commission for Women?
National Commission for
Which one, correct? Huh? B, A or B or C or D?
B.
B. B only. The headquarters of National Commission for Women is located at?
New Delhi.
Which is not a function of the National Commission for Women.
Declaring
Declaring a
Declaring election results. Adu yaru? Whose function?
Election Commission of India.
Election Commission. Which article of the Constitution guarantee equality before the law? Article 14. Very, very important. Article 14 is very, 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 very important. Which constitutional provisions allow state to make special provisions for women and children?
Article 15. Article 15.
Article 15(3). Class 3. How many NCW mainly works on the protection of
Women.
women? Which of the following complaints can be taken up by NCW?
1, 2, D and 3. D option.
All. All. Which statement is correct? Which statements are correct?
D option.
1 and 2.
C option.
See, it cannot directly punish the offenders. Very good. 1 and 2 only. 1 and 2 only, not 3. Okay. Have you seen in the news the Europe unusual what? Unusual heat waves in Paris and other places. Have you seen? Pathingala?
No, sir.
No,
sir.
Unusual heat. Europe's எல்லாருமே போய் என்ன வாங்க போறாங்க கடையில ஏர் கண்டிஷனர். அங்க ஏர் கண்டிஷனர் யூஸ் பண்றது கிடையாது, அந்த அளவுக்கு டெம்பரேச்சர் கிடையாது. பட் நவ் ஏர் கண்டிஷன் டிமாண்ட் இஸ் சோ ஹை, த ரோட்ஸ் ஆர் பர்னிங், பீப்புள் டைட், அனிமல்ஸ் டைட், பெட் அனிமல்ஸ் டைட். வை? வில் see. The unusual heat wave occurs when a temperature is much higher than the long-term average for a particular place and season. For example, many parts of Europe have experienced temperatures above what? 40 degrees in recent years. Normally their temperature will be under 30 or 35. 40 degrees is too much for them. They cannot tolerate. We can tolerate because we are living in which area? We are living in geographically which area? Anyone?
Subtropical region.
Yeah, tropical region. Whereas they live in temperate. They live in temperate region.
Temperature.
Temperate region is, the temperature in temperate region is relatively lower than the tropical. Some regions have recorded highest temperature in history. Scientists believe that several factors contribute to stronger and more frequent heat waves. One is called, this is very, very important. What is that? The buzzword.
Global warming.
Global warming.
Climate change, global warming.
Increase in
What is the
carbon
main?
dioxide.
What is the main reason for the climate change?
Increase in the level of carbon dioxide.
Level
Yeah,
of greenhouse effect.
Carbon dioxide,
dioxide.
carbon monoxide, and other harmful
Yeah,
gases.
mainly what is the other name of carbon dioxide, methane, and etc. They are called greenhouse gases.
Greenhouse gases.
They trap heat within the atmosphere so that it increases. It affects the particular place. Greenhouse effect, heat from the sun becomes trapped in Earth atmosphere, making the planet warmer. El Nino, now super El Nino also one of the reason for this one, because in our India this year the southwest monsoon is going to be what? Affected with lesser rainfall than the previous. So El Nino is a natural climate pattern in the Pacific Ocean that can increase the global temperature during the certain years. And urban heat island effect. So what is urban heat island effect? Cities become hotter because concrete absorbs heat. Now our city becomes what? Concrete jungles. Roads store heat. Fewer trees provide less shade. Trees are more in numbers or less in number now?
Less
Less than number.
Less.
We cut many trees in the name of development. In the name of infrastructure development, we are killing the trees, and due to lack of space, the afforestation process is taking very, very slow. Air conditioners release additional heat outdoors. So these are the urban heat island effect. Deforestation, cutting forest reduces natural cooling and increases temperature. Regions frequently affected: Spain, Italy, France, Greece, Portugal, Germany, United Kingdom, United States, Canada, China, India, Australia. Major countries affected because of severe heat waves. Have you experienced heat waves now in your place?
No, sir.
Yes, sir.
No,
Sir,
everywhere heat. If you are
No,
in,
sir.
if you are in Kodaikanal or Uttaramandalam, Ooty, then no issue. But everywhere here.
No, sir.
I mean, today may not be. I'm not asking today. Today Chennai is relatively cooler, correct?
Yes, sir.
Today only.
Yes, sir.
But not always. Effects of heat waves, human health affected, heat exhaustion, heat stroke. People died because of this. Dehydration, sunburn, fatigue, increased risk of elderly people, children, outdoor workers.
So, what is fatigue?
Fatigue means what? Tired. நீங்க ஏதாவது ஒரு ஒர்க் பண்ணீங்க, when you go outside, you'll become, when you reach home, எப்படி இருக்கும்? You become
Tired and dizzy.
tired. That is fatigue. Fatigue means tiredness.
Sir,
What is spelling? Yeah.
sir, what will happen if all the trees in the world are destroyed, like in the years 2068 or 2030, like that?
All the trees, it will take time. Okay. It is very difficult to cut all the trees. Suppose if this is a hypothetical question, if all the trees are cut, then automatically temperature increases. People also soon no life on earth. Not only people, all animals perish almost.
sir, it's because there would be no oxygen and no plant-based food, so all heterotrophs will die.
Which one? Which system will be affected?
Sir, both
Sir,
oxygen and food.
Ecosystem.
Ecosystem will be affected, then everyone die. That's all. So whenever you have a time, whenever you have opportunities, always what? Plant and protect trees, saplings. What do you mean by saplings?
Young plants.
Young plant is saplings. Very good. Super. Agriculture, it affects agriculture also. Crop damage, reduced food protection, livestock stress, water shortage for irrigation. Water resources will be affected. Rivers shrink, reservoirs lose water, and drinking water shortage may occur. Forest fires will occur because of too much heat. Very difficult to control forest fire. In fact, sometimes it is very difficult to locate forest fire also. Very hot and dry conditions increase the risk of wildfires, especially in the southern Europe and Amazon and other places like Western Ghats, etc. Wildlife. Animals may experience lack of water, habitat loss, heat stress, increased mortality rate. Energy demand. Because of people use more fans and air conditioners, therefore increase in electricity demand. Can strain power systems also. What are the safety tips? Drink plenty of water. Wear light colored cotton cloths. Avoid going outside during the hottest hours. Stay in shaded or cool places. Eat fresh fruits, vegetables. Never leave children or pets inside parked vehicles. This is very, very dangerous. Because whenever you leave your car and if you place car under the sun, after 30 minutes or 1 hour or few hours, if you enter the car, how will you feel?
Very hot, sir.
Very hot. Because of what? Like this one, which effect? Greenhouse effect. It is a miniature of greenhouse effect they can experience inside the car. Feel பண்ணிருக்கீங்களா? Check on elderly family members and neighbors during the extreme heat.
Sir, so if more amount of greenhouse gases are repelled into the atmosphere,
Yes.
the same condition will come to the world also.
Yeah, that's right. Now in atmosphere, the percentage of carbon dioxide is increases or decreases.
Increases only, sir.
Therefore, temperature is also increases. Gets trapped. It acts as a blanket. It acts as a blanket covering what? Earth. So whenever there is whenever you go to a colder places or whenever the temperature is low or under whenever you sleep under the someone is okay. So whenever you sleep under the AC, what do? You use blanket?
No, sir.
Sometimes, sir.
Sometimes. Why use blanket?
In case it gets a bit too cold and we forget to.
Because from our body, water is liberated every time. So when we cover our body with a blanket will never allow the body temperature. The temperature gets trapped within the body and the blanket. So therefore, it gives a pleasant temperature inside the blanket. So therefore, we use blanket, especially whenever you reach cooler places, colder regions, or whenever you sleep under the air condition. So planting more trees, protecting forest, use renewable energy. What is renewable energy means? Solar, wind energy, saving electricity, and reducing pollution, using public transport, cycling whenever possible. Cycling is best exercise as well as for. Is this a environmental friendly activity? Cycling.
Yes, sir.
Cycling is a very environment friendly activities. Okay. A heat wave is
Unusually high temperature.
unusually high temperature. Which gas is the largest contributor to human caused global warming?
Carbon dioxide.
Which of the following is a major cause of increasing heat waves?
Climate changes.
Which natural climate pattern can temporarily increase the global temperature?
El Nino.
Which of the following countries have experienced severe recent heat waves?
1 and 2.
1 and 3. All of them.
Italy, Spain, and Greece also. All the 3 countries. Which of the following is not an effect of heat waves?
Formation of glaciers.
Formation of glaciers.
Formation of glaciers happens
Formation
only
of
in the
glaciers.
poles, north and south
Formation
poles.
Sir,
The urban heat island effect is mainly caused by
glaciers are
Concrete
Concrete
roads.
roads are everywhere.
Buildings, roads and fewer trees.
Yeah, what is your doubt on glaciers? Someone asking.
Sir, glaciers are also found in mountains also, sir.
Yeah, mountains also, especially whenever the altitude is high altitude. Himalayan regions also you have a glaciers. Very good. Good observation. Which of the following helps to reduce long-term impact on climate change?
Planting more trees.
Planting more trees.
Planting more trees. Which statement is correct? Heat waves can increase the electricity demand.
Sir, all 1, 2 and 3.
Heat
sir.
waves led to
all
dehydration.
one,
Heat
two,
waves
one.
can reach the forest fire.
1, 2,
Therefore,
3.
1, 2, 3.
Everything is there, all.
Okay. Right. Any question?
Sir, I have a doubt, sir. Sir, last
Yes.
class test doubt, sir.
Yes. Yeah, ask me.
Sir, the question is consider the following statements regarding global time zones. The Earth takes 24 hours to rotate completely by 360 degree. Statement 2.
Correct, Dana?
Yes, sir, it's correct, sir. Statement 2.
Okay.
A longitude difference of 1 degree translates to a time difference of 5 minutes is wrong, sir.
1 degree is equal to 4 minutes or 5 minutes?
4 minutes, sir. So it's incorrect.
Therefore, only one is correct.
Sir, my option was that only, sir, but it shows it's wrong option.
Okay, I'll check.
I
I'll
chose
check.
only statement 1 is correct.
What was your score?
9, sir.
Then add 1. So 10 out of 10. Thank you.
Sir,
Next, any other?
Sir, both options are correct only, sir.
Yeah, both
Statement
only.
1 is correct, but statement 2 is incorrect is also option.
Therefore, I said I'll check in the question. Okay. So therefore, I gave you mark. You are correct. So the correct answer is only statement 1 only correct. There, what is mentioned is both the statements are correct. Correct?
No, sir, the actual answer it shows is statement 1 is correct, but statement 2 is incorrect.
Yeah, 2 is incorrect only.
Sir, both the answers are correct, right?
Why? What is second statement?
No, sir, I'm asking that only statement 1 option is also correct and
Statement 2 is incorrect. Why incorrect?
sir, because it's 4 minutes and not 5 minutes.
It is mentioned as 5 minutes. Therefore, incorrect.
Yes, sir.
Understood?
Yes, sir.
1 only correct. First statement is correct. Second statement is wrong. It should have been 1 degree is equal to 4 minutes. But there in the question it is mentioned 1 degree is equal to how many minutes?
5 minutes.
5 minutes, which is incorrect. Any other question? Sir, I also got the same question wrong. Okay. Sindhu, what is your doubt? Is the doubt is clear now? Is the answer is correct or not in the question paper? It is correct only. There I mentioned statement 1 is correct, 2 is incorrect. Okay, today no time to discuss the numeracy or mathematics, the basic maths. So in the next class, we'll allot more time for maths and reasoning. Okay. Thank you. We'll meet in the next class. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
And also
Thank you,
write
sir.
test based on these things. Okay. Everyone must write your test.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.